Alrighty guys, so for every single slide there's going to be a video and there will be a couple questions at the bottom of the screen. I'll make sure to read all the questions and feel free to pause the video and start it whenever you need a second to write or type or whatever. So we're going to be starting the bird lab next class, or the finch lab or the beak lab. I really want to stress how important it is for you guys to make sure you do this lab. I know I tell you that all labs are important, but this lab is extremely important. It's one of the labs that you are required to do for New York State to take your Regents exam. So if you don't do this one, then you can't take your Regents exam, and everything so far will just throw it away. Like, there's no point. You'll have to retake the class next year. This is also a long lab. We're going to do this lab for 2 days. So we're going to go ahead on the next slide. We're going to start reading the background information. Background information is really important. I know I stress this every single time, but it's important to, it will help set up the lab and it'll help you know what we're doing and why we're doing it. So there's 2 questions at the bottom of the screen. There's also a place for you to type. Each of you have your own copy of this PowerPoint, so you can go ahead and type right on the PowerPoint. Question number 1 is, why is it so important for us to do this lab? So go ahead and pause the video, type your answer, and then restart it when you're ready for the next question. All right, question number 2 is, why are backgrounds or introductions so important for labs? And go ahead, feel free to rewatch this video if you need time. If not, you can answer the question and move on to the next slide.